Hi, this is Med from Educators Technology. In today's video, we're going to talk about AI text-to-speech tools. So, text-to-speech tools are advanced software applications that convert text into spoken words. As you know, text-to-speech tools have been around even before the introduction of AI. However, with the introduction of generative AI, these tools have become very powerful. They have evolved significantly from robotic sounding voices to sophisticated systems capable of mimicking human intonation, emotions, and accents. The collection of AI text-to-speech tools I have for you today are some of the best out there, and they will enable you to produce some amazing human-like or lifelike voices. So you can use these AI text-to-speech tools to create engaging and dynamic content. For instance, you can use them to generate voiceovers for educational videos, tutorials, and presentations. And when it comes to accessibility, these tools are wonderful. They can help individuals with visual impairments, dyslexia, or any other kind of reading difficulty. Without further ado, let us jump in and explore our collection. The first AI text-to-speech tool in our collection is called 11 Labs. This is my favorite among them all, and this is the one I'm currently using to produce voiceovers for some of my projects. So the first thing to do is to open an account with them, or if you already have an account, log in. Okay, so when you log in, on the left hand side is where you will find the different AI features 11 Labs provides. There is a text-to-speech, voice changer, sound effects, and many more. Let's click on text-to-speech, the one we are currently interested in, and then there is a box here. You can simply type in the text you want 11 Labs to read for you, or you can copy and paste it here. And down here is where you will find the different AI voices. Click on the button here and then go ahead and click on Find More Voices. As you can see here, there are different AI voices here. They are arranged into these categories. There is the narrative and story, conversational, characters and animation, sorry. Characters and animation, social media, entertainment, and so on and so forth. You can also filter them by popularity, or you can choose a language. I have English here, and you can choose also the accent you want the voiceover to be in. All right, well, I'll just leave it at English and the American accent. And down here, you can go through the AI voices, check here to see their popularity. For instance, the ones with the higher votes are popular. Some of these AI voices you probably will already have heard them on social media reels. For instance, the Adam voice is one of the popular AI voices on social media. Let me play a sample from Adam.
Your anger against every form of insult and oppression must be out of love.
All right, so you can do the same. You can simply browse through the collections of AI voices, and when you find the one you want, simply play a sample to see how it sounds, and if you like it, go ahead and click on the add button here to add it to the collection of AI voices to use to convert text to audio. That's pretty much how 11 Labs works. It's simple and easy, and of course it offers a free plan with limited features, and it provides you with a small number of credits. But if you want more, you can always go ahead and get a pro version. The second AI text-to-speech tool is called Speechify. It's another popular AI voice generator. This one here is known for including cloned voices of celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Mr. Beast, and Cliff Weitzman, and many other celebrities. Of course, you need to log in to start using it. Once you log in, click on Add New, and here you can either drag and drop a text file or upload it from your device. Let me upload a sample of a text file to show you how it works. Okay, here is a document I uploaded. It's just a list of references. So as you can see down here, there is a AI voice right here. Click on this icon and you can choose from the celebrity voices. You need to be a premium user to access them. I am not. Or you can click on all voices and through the collection there. Let's just check Erica to hear a sample of her voice. Simply click on it.
I bid you a cheerful hello. My name is Erica. I speak in American English, en français, and in Español de España.
Now that we select it, click on play.
Well, JW 2009. Research design, qualitative,
and it goes through the text that you have. You can also click on the settings here to access extra features. There is the text highlighting feature, the auto scroll, click to listen, and auto hide, and there are also other features for premium users. So the third AI text to speech tool is called Lovo. Sign in to your account. So once you sign into your account, you click on create a project. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to click on short voiceover to show you the sample of voices it has, and then start project. All right, so here you can either type in your text or copy and paste. Let me paste the text here, and up here you can choose the AI voice you want. And you can see here they have an enormous collection of AI voices, and these voices are organized into these different categories. There is AI voices for creating training videos, explainers, product demos, marketing and sales, audiobooks and animation, social media, and so on and so forth. You can also see the trending voices for each of these categories. Go through them and select the one you're interested in. Once you like an AI voice, click to select it. Let's play it and see how it sounds.
Text-to-speech is a specific type of technology that enables you to turn any piece of text into spoken audio.
Sounds great. Next is to click here to either download it to your computer, or you can click here to share it with others. Pretty simple and powerful. So the fourth and last AI text-to-speech tool I want to share with you in this video is called Natural Reader. Go ahead and log in. Once you log in, click on add, and then you can choose what do you want to add. You can add text. You can also use AI to help you generate the text, or you can upload a file. Let's click on text, and let's paste in a sample of a text. You can give the file name. Let's call it test. So on the left hand side are a sample of AI voices you can use. Simply hover over any icon and click on the mic icon here, and you can choose here to play it, to listen to how it sounds. Great, so go through them, pick the one you like, and let's pick, for instance, Sarah. Click on it, and you can see here it's added right in here. And next is to click on create new. Now let's see how it sounds.
Text-to-speech is a specific type of technology that enables you to turn any piece of text into spoken audio.
Wonderful. Next is to click on here and download it to your computer as an MP3 file. Okay, I hope you found this collection of AI text-to-speech tools helpful. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.